The Northeast India Petroleum Dealers Association NEIPDA-GGU has declared a protest closure of no purchase on sale from 5 a.m. on March 30th to 5 a.m. on April 1st, citing unresolved issues regarding commission enhancement and other demands. Speaking to a news agency, Kabindra Oja, Vice President of NEIPDA-GGU, highlighted the escalating expenses of running retail outlets (RO) in the face of stagnant commission rates, making it increasingly challenging for dealers to sustain their operations for over 7 years. The decision was reached during a general meeting held at Uzan Bazaar on March 28, where members discussed grievances concerning the lack of revisions in dealer commissions since 2017. In a letter addressed to all oil companies, NEIPDA-GGU expressed disappointment over the absence of response to their concerns despite reaching out on February 3rd. The association emphasized that the protest closure aims to draw attention to the rights of dealers and the necessity for addressing their grievances. The above protest closure is with reference to the non-enhancement and/or non-revisions in the dealer's commission since the year 2017 and other demands and violations of the rights of the dealer as reflected in the letter addressed to all oil companies, though the expenses incurred in running to the RO has escalated manifold, for which it has become extremely difficult for the dealers to continue the trade. NEIPDA-GGU stated in the letter. To be mentioned here that the issue had been taken up with the oil companies via a letter dated February 3rd without any response from their end. As such, we hereby intimated all electronic and print media regarding the protest closure of no purchase, no sale from 5 a.m. on March 30th to 5 a.m. on April 1st. The letter further added. The association has also notified electronic and print media outlets about the protest closure period to ensure widespread awareness of their stand and demands. The protest closure signifies the escalating tensions between the petroleum dealers and oil companies over issues of commission rates and operational expenses, underscoring the urgent need for dialogue and resolution.